In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic sales tax in Squarespace. We'll walk through the exact path to turn on automatic tax calculations, add your essential business details, and confirm everything is working with a simple checkout test. By the end, your store will be calculating tax for customers automatically, where supported. First, sign in to your Squarespace dashboard and head straight to your commerce settings. From your home menu, open Commerce, then look for the Taxes section. This is where all your tax configuration lives. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're in the correct one before you continue. Inside the Taxes area, look for the option to enable automatic tax calculation. This option appears only in regions where Squarespace supports it. So if you don't see it, it may not be available in your location. When it is available, turning it on allows Squarespace to keep rates up to date and apply them at checkout based on your customer's address and your business location. Next, enter the required business or store tax details. Typically, this includes your business name, your primary business address, and, if applicable in your region, any tax registration numbers. Be accurate here. Your address and registration info help determine where taxes apply and at what rate. Use your official business address, not a P.O. box, and make sure it matches the information used for your payment processor and business records. Before you save, take a moment to review the automatic tax settings. Confirm that the correct business location is selected and scan any available options, such as whether prices include tax, whether shipping is taxable in your region, and how digital products are handled where applicable. You're not changing the steps, just making sure the defaults match how you sell. When everything looks right, save your setup. This locks in your automatic calculation settings so they'll apply to new orders. Finally, test the checkout to make sure taxes are being calculated correctly. Add a product to your cart, proceed to checkout, and enter a customer address from a location where tax should apply. Watch for a clearly labeled tax line to appear and update as you change the address. You can stop before completing payment. This is just a functional test. If something doesn't look right, revisit your business address and the automatic calculation toggle to ensure they're set correctly. That's it. With your commerce settings updated, automatic tax turned on, your details entered, and a successful checkout test, your Squarespace store is ready to calculate taxes accurately for your customers.